Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to draw connected nail art. So in this style you will feel that all the 4 of your nails are connected into a single canvas or a single page, and the art will be spread out on all the nails as a single artwork instead of different designs on different nails. So I have tried this a lot of times and it looks really cool, and in this video I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks to do this. It might feel a little bit advanced, but please keep on watching this video and you can also try this. So the first most important thing is to decide the hand posture. You have to check which hand pose suits you the best and is the most comfortable for you to take pictures. So you can either keep all the nails in the same level or in slightly different levels, and accordingly your connected design will form on your nails. So once you've decided with the pose, you can right away start with the design, and make sure you keep your hands steady once you've started drawing the design in the same position you have fixed. So I'm going to keep the nails all in the same level because this will suit the design I am going to draw. So I'm trying to draw a mandala design this time. So I'm going to draw a semicircle that will run through all the fingers. I'm starting with the pointer finger and I've drawn a line, and I'll check the point the line has ended in my pointer finger, and I'll catch the same point in the adjacent nail to start the line on that nail, and in this way I'll connect the line through all the fingers. You have to keep your hand very steady in the same position you want to take the picture, and your eyes at the proper level so that there is no distortion. You have to try to make the lines as closely connected as possible. Now my semicircle looks pretty connected. I'll try to do a few corrections here and there to fill up the gaps. You can try with more straighter lines if you are a beginner. So this is how my semicircle looks, and I'm going to bold in the lines even more so that it looks like a more connected and a better design. Now you have to keep in mind that not every hand is the same, not every nail is the same, not every nail has the same shape, and neither is the spacing between nails are always the same, even in the same hand. So there will be some distortions, but while you are drawing you have to keep the manual error as minimal as possible, and for that you will need a lot of practice. So I'll complete the design, and while you're at it, please do subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. So this is how my final design looks. I really love doing connected nail art. It looks so pretty and skillful. You can choose from a variety of designs. Even from my nail arts, I have loads of connected designs in my Instagram. So please make sure you're following me on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share this video. See you super soon with more videos. Bye.